Is your localized input orchestration apps broken by the Mclick.dll DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. To kick off the manual repair for Mclick module, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Mclick module, frequently associated with localized auto-clicker or macro utilities. It manages the real-time polling and simulated hardware events for the mouse. Because it manages automated system input, it is a primary target for antivirus heuristics. If missing, the parent macro tool will report an API initialization failure. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The file Mclick.dll is required for localized input orchestration to properly initialize and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Mclick module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Mclick.dll. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Mclick module library guidance. If you've regained access to Mclick module thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.